Now, still in our for loop, let's examine the elegant process happening in this for loop declaration. For equipment, specs in self.detection equipment.items. Tuple unpacking. This is what we're demonstrating here. Now we understand where the tuple came from, and we understand the data the tuple contains. So now we're getting it with tuple unpacking. This is Python's ability to automatically split tuples into separate variables during iteration. It's like having an automated mail sorting system that takes packages and distributes their contents into labeled bins. So the unpacking process step by step. .items creates the tuple. Each dictionary entry becomes a tuple, like quantum field detector, comma, sensitivity 85, accuracy 92. For loop receives the tuple, Python gets the complete package tuple for processing, and then the automatic unpacking. Python splits the tuple into separate variables. Equipment gets quantum field detector, and specs gets the specification dictionary. And then we've got the variables available. So now both equipment and specs are variables ready for use in the loop body. This is incredibly elegant because it eliminates the need for index access. Instead of having to write that item bracket 0 the more restraining way, equipment equals yada yada, specs equals, we just do this for loop. Equipment specs in self.detection equipment.items. We don't need to know index positions. Tuple unpacking gives you meaningful variable names immediately. Instead of cryptic item 0 and item 1, you have clear equipment and specs variables that make your code self-documenting. The tuple unpacking process transforms the packaged tuple data into labeled, accessible variables that make your code both more readable and more reliable.